Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 11M Pro, and I might be a bit late, but I was just thinking if I'm going to get it, I might as well do a review on it. So here's the package. You can see it's shiny, and it's not like all the other GAN cubes, but this one's really cool. So you've got the GAN. It kind of looks like the iPhone box for Apple, but anyway, that's what the box looks like, and time to open it. Okay, so we've got the box here and just taking it off. Okay, so we got this ID card which looks really cool. So let's just move that out of the way. So we've got this, pretty cool. We've got, I don't know, it's a barcode just for, I think it's for a tutorial with the code at the bottom. So, okay. So, okay, so we're going to look at the accessory pack right now. Okay, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. Starting off with the little box, so it's just all white, so nothing too fancy. Oops, open it up. Okay, so it is jam-packed with accessories. Okay, so so we've got this really tiny screwdriver. Just move this. So we've got this really tiny screwdriver which has a little plastic for, I think, for safety. We've got this. Okay, so we've got the classic GAN bag. There you go. Lovely, soft. And then we've got, wow, massive pamphlet. Wow, that is massive. Okay, I think that's just for solving a cube, but I don't know why you really need it if you're going to spend this much on a cube. But anyway, opening up the accessories. Okay, so we've got the dark nuts, and then we've also got some extra magnets, I think, for the core. And that's for the tensioning system. But anyway, that's just the accessories. So I'm going to put this over here. And now we're going to look at the GAN box itself. So it comes in this nice white box. And we've got the GAN logo. And let's open it. So you push it. And there we go. That is cool. So I ordered black internals. And it looks really cool. But anyway, let's check it out. Oh, that is smooth. That is really good. So personally, I think the black internals are a lot better, as you know, it makes the colours more distinctive. And then you've got, wow, this is just, wow, that is smooth. So right now it's at medium. You can see right here you've got at a medium level because it's in the middle, but you could turn it to strong, but I think medium is still really good. Wow, this is really good. Let's do some proper fast algorithms. Whoa, and moves. Wow, that is really quick. Okay, so anyway, this is how the tensioning system works. So for the corner, you can see that we've got the little metal thing. We've also got this little screwdriver. So it's not really a screwdriver, but anyway. What you do is you take this little cap off and you come with this. What you can do is just push it, so turn it 45 degrees on its axis and move it over. So I can move it to strong just by nudging it over. So I could just nudge it over and now it's on strong. So if we do it for every single one, I don't think it will take too long. Let's just quickly do it for every single one. Okay, and now let's check these ones. So I'll just do it. So it's actually really good because you don't have to disassemble the whole cube. And yep, so we're just gonna nudge it all to the right to make it strong magnets. Whereas if you nudge it all to the left, you can make it weak magnets. So just adjusting that, let's see. Oh wow, they are noticeably stronger. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is quite strong for everything. But anyway, that's definitely stronger. So personally, I like medium. But anyway, that is how the magnet system from corner to edge piece works. And now for the core magnets, there are core magnets. So if we look inside, we come with core magnets. Oh wow, that's strong. But anyway, you come with core magnets and stuff. So I'll just pop that back in. And what you can do is switch them for stronger ones, which are in here. And I can tell that, well, that's what I've heard, that the core magnets, the hexagonal ones, it has it on the top, are meant to be stronger, but I'm not going to be looking at that. But anyway, this is really cool. So yeah, it's a lot quieter, I think, and I can just perform the L's extremely good. Yeah. Wow, that is really good. So I think GAN are just trying to do a more approach to speed, proper speed solving. So I think they added in the extra core magnets to help the stability. So when you turn extremely fast, it really helps. And yeah, I find it really good because of I can do extremely fast turning, but also keeping it really stable at the same time. Yeah, this is really cool. And yeah, that's it for the review and unboxing, and hope you liked it, and for now, see ya.